Hello and welcome back to parting out this 1998 Toyota RAV4. Today we're going to be removing these running boards and seeing if we want to keep them or sell them. They have one bolt on the front and three on the bottom with three mounting brackets. From what I can tell, these things are pretty hard to sell, but I do have somebody interested in them for about 50 bucks. Or I could just keep them and paint them to match my car, but I don't know if that'll necessarily look very good. So here's my car without them. It's pretty bland, to be honest, and I don't really care for the plain black underneath either. And here's what we're looking like with them. I don't think it matches very well, but that can 100% be changed with just some paint. So should I keep them or sell them for 50 bucks?